We are headed off to Ikea, which is our special little place that we can get lost in for a couple of hours. We initially started this without kids, but now we've got 2 kids with us.
Wherever we go, we about to bring on the positive vibe. Wherever we go, we are gonna do what makes us feel right.
Okay, so it's Saturday, and it's Mom's birthday. Happy birthday, Mom.
Thank you.
Say hi.
Hi.
2 kids and a bucket full of books. So we're gonna head down to Ikea and see what we can find, see what nonsense we can buy to make our RVing life much easier and more organized. So the light's about to turn green and I've got to put this down. So we will see you in a bit.
Yeah.
Too much time. This is what happens when it's a long drive and they fall asleep. Come on, honeys. You ready?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
To Ikea.
Ikea. All right.
Put your shoes in your jacket.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Stay right here. Close the door, honey. Watch it. Watch your fingers. Are you guys gonna walk with us, or are you going into the kiddie area?
Yeah. Kitty area.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
It might be packed today. You might not be able to. So, we always have to stop and eat a little bit before going in. You're having chicken fingers.
They have supply chicken fingers. You got me chicken, then fries. You gotta know them. Chicken plus fries equals chicken tenders equals yummy.
And vegetarian meal, Ikea style. Not too bad. What are these veggie balls? Yeah. And then lentils. It's pretty good. We get up our energy, we can go shop.
Oh yeah!
Oh, that's cool.
We'll move on.
Okay.
Video? Yes. Okay, good. How do you like IKEA? It is the best place. We already went to the kids' place, And it is awesome. You've got to try it. Yes, you got to try it. It was so fun. Yes, it is so movies, balls. We can build stuff and blow our stuff. Yes. You have to fly. And we saw a bunk bed. Yeah, in the bedroom area. White rugs, brown rugs, and black rugs. Green rugs and more brown rugs. A yellow bag. White rugs again. And brown pieces of cardboard. And towels. And we know this. But there is so much. Hi, I'm Jayson. And we are at Ikea. The best place. Red towels, green towels, you name it. Light bulbs at Ikea, lanterns at Ikea, and a whole lot more. And that is the best. You have got to go to Ikea at Soulful RV Family.
Okay, so we just got home from Ikea and it's late.
Late.
Yeah, we stayed all day at Ikea. It's my favorite place. But anyways, I just wanted to give you a little wrap up and show you exactly what we got. And some of this stuff will be used in the RV, some of it's going to be used in the RV and at home. And you want to do this one first? All of our utensils in the RV are the, what do you pronounce it? Fornuft. All the Ikea stuff. Right. Close enough. So these are our utensils that we actually still use in the RV now, and we need a few more, so we just picked that up. So we also homeschool, and which means when we're on the road traveling, we road school. So what I found very useful are these little bins here, and they are Gliss. They're Ikea's Gliss box. And what I do with that, Jayson has one right here, and his is actually broken. So I gotta replace it for his. But
this is the best thing I've ever had in my life.
okay, that's dramatic. But what we do with that box is we carry the pencils and crayons and markers.
Scissors and markers and I don't know how these got in here.
That's okay, they fit. But as you can see, everything's got its compartment and it stays organized, so when we're traveling, it's at their fingertips. I can just put this in one of the overhead bins where all their homeschooling things are, and it works out for us. And everybody's got their own bin, but usually when we're traveling, we just take one, and one works for all the kids to share. So that's okay, so these are the towels. I love their towels. Why? Because I've found that if I get some suction cups, we've got a glass enclosure shower. If I get some suction cups, I can hang these. These come with, now if you're handy and you can sew, you can just put these on all your washcloths and towels and hand towels and things like that. But Ikea's comes already on all of theirs. So these are the washcloths. These are the hand towels. And then even your bath towel, I think it's, yeah.
Handle.
Has a little handle. There you go. All right. Cool, Jay. All right, Jay.
Eat.
All right, so these are the Fragin.
I need one to eat.
Okay, so that's that.
Fragin.
So they're pretty cool. Also, I wish I'd written down the name of it. Ikea has a suction cup towel bar.
And this is Swedish.
If you've got a flat surface, a smooth surface, you can suction cup this towel bar on, and it's good enough for one towel and one washcloth. Get down, honey. Okay.
I'm done with that.
So my win was, I had forgotten I had gotten this so many years ago when they were like toddlers, but it's the mala, and it's actually, I've got one at home, and I'm going to show you in a second. it actually holds rolls of paper. And I'm thinking that, here's ours that we have here at the house. I'm thinking that I can put some,
Velcro?
Thinking I could put some Velcro on the bottom of this and put it at the head of our table in our kitchen of the RV.
And then we have refills.
Right, and there's refills of paper. And so then, while we're traveling, and they want to just doodle or whatever, do their work, their schoolwork, and this is what I love about it. Beautifully tears off. So, and it's a nice straight edge. So we love this thing. And it's got little grooves here. So if you're carrying pencils and pens and crayons and everything, they can sit in these little grooves and they're not gonna roll around and fall all over the place. So that's what we did today at Ikea. We saw so much more, and because I didn't plan to go today, it was kind of on a whim, I didn't really have my notes. I usually like to flip through the catalog and, you know, take some notes on some things that I think might work in the RV and kind of come up with some creative things and search online, because there's always these different websites with Ikea hacks.
And there's always Ebony with this washcloth.
Yes, there's always a dog. We'll get the washcloth later. But, so I always kind of try to do my research before we go out there and see what fun stuff we can fall into. But as you'll see in the video, we've got lots of little treasures that we found. And Jayson was doing a lot of the filming, so thanks for joining us.
As always, thanks for watching and please subscribe. Also follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and Instagram. Goodbye! And also follow Stuff Down.